When the command turn around in my head, it's like a leech on my brain. It breaks down all my emotions. I'm back and I'm blind.
Oh, hey. Um, Sky, Sky Miners here. Today, just gonna say some info and show you a house. Oh. I call it a Slenderman. Yeah, it's Enderman, yes. And the info is, think I'm gonna make commentaries videos on this account. And I will play it with friends, I think, on Minecraft. I think it will be on this place. So, yes. And please subscribe me, but not sub for sub. Sub if you like my videos. Yes. So, I think that was all. And yes. So, I just want to say goodbye, everybody. See you soon. Bye.